Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Jason. I'm gonna show you how to make fried cabbage and sausage. Super delicious, easy one-pot meal, healthy, really flavorful, so let's get started. All right, first we're gonna take our smoked sausage and we're gonna cut this into little coins, I guess you could call them. All right, all done. We're gonna chop a whole onion into about medium sized pieces. Okay, we got a couple good sized potatoes we're gonna slice up and chop. I don't usually peel these. I do wash them, but I don't think it's necessary. And what I like to do then is throw these in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. That helps speed up the cooking process, so I'm gonna do that in the meantime. And we're gonna take a whole head of cabbage. We're gonna cut it in half, and we're actually gonna use half of this, so. And that will be plenty. This will make enough for 5 people with typically some leftovers, so cut that core out. Love cabbage. All right, I'm just gonna slice it on up. All right, we got a large frying pan. We're gonna add a fair amount of olive oil. And the first thing we're gonna fry up is our sausages. We're gonna go ahead and add those. Getting some nice color on these. It smells amazing. All right, once these get to your level of doneness, you can go ahead and add in your potatoes. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add our onions in. We'll let that go for a few minutes. All right, before I add my cabbage, I'm gonna add a fair amount of salt. Probably a quarter of a teaspoon, give or take. You might want to add more later too with all the cabbage we add. Next, here goes in our half cabbage, chopped up. Don't worry, this is going to cook down, and okay, we're going to give this a stir and get this stuff mixed up. I'm going to add a little bit more salt again. Next, we're going to add one of the key ingredients. That is white distilled vinegar. And I'm going to add about a quarter to a third cup, give or take. Kind of eyeball it. And like you can imagine, it adds a ton of flavor. All right, we're going to continue to let that cook down. All right, and I think we're done here. So we're going to plate this up and we're going to give it a taste test. Yummy. Smells so good. All right, call me weird, I don't care, but to me, adding this just sends this over the top. It's amazing. I love this horseradish mustard. It looks like it's stone ground. It's a bit spicy, but man, it adds a little bit more of the vinegar and just amazing flavor. So give that a try. All right, so I'm gonna give this a bite. All right, here we go. Got that yummy vinegar. That mustard is awesome. Salty smoked sausage. And I just love cabbage. And guess what? This is a little bit healthy. Actually, there's, besides the sausage and the olive oil, not much for calories. It's very filling. So give this a try. It's popular. It's easy to make. It's cheap. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like it.